Need to review your recent Amex spending or find a specific transaction? If navigating your statement online feels clunky, you're not alone. Today, we're checking your Amex statement and transaction details like a pro. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Your Amex online account and mobile app give you a clear, detailed view of all your charges, pending transactions, and statements. The dashboard, your spending overview. When you log in, you'll land on your account dashboard. This shows your current balance, available credit, and recent transactions. You can quickly scan your activity here. The Statements section, for a detailed review. For a formal, monthly view, go to the Statements or Billing section. Here, you can view or download PDF copies of your past statements, which are great for record keeping or expense reports. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the search and filter functions. Looking for a specific purchase? Use the search bar in your transaction history. You can also filter by date range, amount, or merchant. This is a huge time saver compared to scrolling through hundreds of transactions manually. So, just like that, you can stay on top of your finances with ease. Regularly checking your statements goes a long way in catching errors early and managing your budget. Now I'm curious, how often do you check your Amex transactions? Daily, weekly, or only when the statement comes? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching.